My name is Amin Lail. I work for 4X Concrete. I'm assistant superintendent, and we're at South Lake Medical Office Building in Columbia, Maryland, working on a project for Howard Hughes. So this project has a 30,000 square foot parking garage and 4 floors of 24,500 square foot office space. Alma's product range and engineering department, they helped us overcome a lot of obstacles that we occurred and we weren't used to doing. We usually don't work on bridges, and Alma was able to help us design a system to keep the roadway open while we framed up everything and poured it. Alma's perimeter system really helped keep everyone safe. We had no issues in this project at all, and it worked really well for us. Since we started the company, we've always used Alma.